Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. My name is Dr. Hilary Benzer. I'm going to show you how ZirTeeth are done. Come on over. All right, so come on in the office. First, you're going to meet this wonderful gal named Jasmine. Jasmine, say hello. All right. Now, unlike other offices that send their work to other labs, we don't outsource our work. As you can see, our lab is in-house. Let's meet the guys. Hey guys, how you doing, everybody? Hi. All right, Gustavo and Yunoska and Sarah, these are our talent team that make the best teeth. So this machine, I'm really excited because this is the 5-axis milling machine, and it can really take a puck like this and make your design teeth milled like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Lily. I'm the patient advocate and office manager here at One&Only Dentistry at Desert Dental. I hope you are enjoying your tour, and if you guys have any additional questions, you can give us a call at 702-260-1890. And enjoy your day. Thank you.